custom drilling the bags, adding a really nice finish to the holes, amplifier installed in the fairing, high-end wiring, Audison A&L mini fuse on the side with 150 amp. This setup got done with lid speakers, 5x7s and 6x9s with horn tweeters. Everything's installed for the front, so we retain a lot of space for the rear of the bags. Sounds amazing, check it out.
If you hear me, you can holler, even Rottweiler. Follow the Impala, wanna talk about this concrete nigga, I'm a it's like this, so who gives a fuck about those? So just chill to the next episode. What a hell of a gangster lane. Getting funky on the mic like a old magic kind of break. Just a capital S, so yes, impression. Showing much flex when it's time to wreck a mic. Pimping hoes and clocking a grip like my name was on the mic. Yeah, and it don't quit. I think they in the mood for some motherfucking G.
Man, I want to thank Audio Motorsports for hooking me up on this 2019 Road Life Special. Did an awesome job on this AMS Bagger setup here. Drove all the way down from San Jose. Well worth the drive, 6 hours. Going into it, I want to thank the team for the installation, the detailed work, taking care of my motorcycle. It's just brand spanking new. Not even 150 miles per gallon. I can't wait to go back to San Jose and cause some havoc.
Watching AMSTV. AMSTV. AMSTV.